your Eastern Region Vice President from the state of Kentucky, Caroline Groth.
The moment of election was completely surreal. A million people have asked me what I was feeling in that moment, and really, I was just feeling overjoyed, overwhelmed, so blessed and thankful. I don't even remember hearing my name called. I just heard Kentucky and immediately ran on stage, because that's something I worked for my entire life, and just to have all of that come into fruition in one moment was an amazing experience that I'll never forget. My name is Caroline Groth. I'm currently a sophomore at the University of Kentucky, double majoring in ag education and ag economics, and I was just elected as the National FFA Eastern Region Vice President. It's a huge deal, it's a huge honor. Every day I wake up, and when we got elected, they gave us these boxes with our title on it. So mine says Eastern Region Vice President. And the night after election, they told us to put that at the end of your bed and hang up your jacket, so when you wake up in the morning, it's the first thing that you see. And still, even talking about that, I get emotional, because it's just the result of this hard work and all these people who have come behind me and are going to come after me. And I'm just this culmination of all the people who've poured into me, and now I get to go and lead, and I'm just honored.
We are extremely proud of Caroline. She is taking on a role as an ambassador for our youth in agriculture. And so that role that she will take requires her to leave school for a year. And during that time of where she will be gone, she will travel the world. She will speak to audiences in public schools. She'll speak to folks with the United States Department of Education, the United States Department of Agriculture. There are so many opportunities and individuals that she's going to get to network with that will change the course of her outlook in life. She is an ambassador for youth. She's speaking on behalf of all young adults. And people begin to see, oh, this young lady's from Kentucky. And if you know Caroline, you know that she's going to share her wonderful stories that she has of the bluegrass. And with that, she becomes this representative, and they go, okay, if this is a Kentuckian and this is what UK is reflective of, then that has to be a pretty well-rounded university.
This year I get the honor of basically kind of getting to be one in a million, which is wild to say, but I mean, there's only 6 chosen every year, so I'm lucky to be the next to get to represent Kentucky and getting to travel across the United States. Not only will I get to be an ambassador for FFA, but also kind of be an ambassador for the University of Kentucky and the whole Commonwealth of Kentucky as a state. Truly, I think a lot of this doesn't come from me, it comes from the people that poured into me. One of my favorite quotes comes from Theodore Roosevelt, and it's, "Believe you can and you're halfway there." Now, I love this quote, but I like to put my own spin on this quote, and it's the people that believe in you and the people that pour into you that help you realize that you can believe in yourself. And for me, that's been staff at UK, that's been my family, my ag teachers. I've just been very grateful to be surrounded by such an awesome community that saw something in me and helped me achieve my goals.